Huh? Where did the article go? Has it ever happened to you that you accidentally deleted one or more items from your list? It can happen quickly. With the recycle bin in pCon.basket, this is no longer a problem. In this video, I'll show you how to easily restore deleted articles in pCon.basket, including the configuration and calculation you have already made. By clicking on the recycle bin in the bottom left, a new window opens where all the deleted articles from the current session are stored. The articles are listed in the order they were deleted. As long as the project is open, they remain available here. A right-click on an article in the recycle bin opens the context menu, allowing you to restore the article with its configuration and calculation back into your list with ease. When you restore an article to the list, it will either be inserted behind the currently selected position, or if no selection is made, added to the end of the list. This works the same way for entire planning groups. If a group has disappeared because you might have only wanted to delete a single component, you can restore the entire group with just a few clicks. Planning groups can only be restored as a whole. If you have multiple deleted articles in the recycle bin, you can select them all using Ctrl-A and restore them together with the button in the top left. This can save you a lot of time and ensure an efficient workflow. Remember that articles in the recycle bin are only stored as long as the session is active. The recycle bin is not just a recovery function, but a versatile tool that provides flexibility and security in various work situations. Check out this video to learn how to manage pricing conditions in pCon.basket. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.